We're going to talk through some features on this chart. This is the chart for HSBC. Now, this is quite an interesting chart because this was the crash of 2008. It hit a low point and then rebounded. Ever since then, you can connect the lows of down moves with this ascending support line. Now, we are currently sitting right on top of that ascending support line, which technically should be a buying opportunity. We have a few other things to point out though on this chart. If you go to our website and download our free e-workbooks and read what we've written in there about ascending buy lines over time, you will know why we're putting so much faith into this line and why this line is very strong. Now, if we zoom in a little bit, you've actually got a descending trend line, which is going to push the price lower short term until it's broken. So expecting a test of that line and potentially a breakout wouldn't be the end of the world. That would be quite sensible to expect. So as things stand, we are sitting right on a long-term trend line and we have a descending sell line at present. One thing we do need to take notice of is the formation of these bear flags that have been consistent throughout the last few months. You can see it's been in the sell the rallies mode, and we may be forming a little bit of a bear flag. You might call that a bear flag and expect lower lows. However, the strength of that trend line will probably negate that bear flag. One last thing to note on this chart is every time we get below £6, it's for fundamental reasons. Now, we had the credit crisis here. We had the euro debt crisis as well. Now, is there anything in the news at the moment that really justifies us going back to those low prices? You know what, we don't think so. There's a lot of bullish reports coming out in the news. So what we'd expect is that trend line to hold and the HSBC shares to go up. The risk versus reward is in favour of buyers at this stage, so we would expect a good rally from here in. If you would like to know what price we are paying for the shares, where we're putting our stop loss on this trade, and also where we're taking profits, click on the link below this video to see our free trading report.